Welcome back, YouTube friends and family. And before we get started, this video is sponsored by
Mars.
Mars Hydro FC3000 Samsung LM301 Osram LED grow light. The Mars Hydro FC3000 LED grow light is a cultivator's preferred light solution for single or multi-tier racking and indoor shorter plant grow scenarios. Whether growing cannabis, food, or ornamental plants, Mars Hydro FC series can take care of every corner of your grow space with the most uniform light distribution, generate high quality, reliable crops, yields, and sustainable control over your grow results. Mars Hydro Grow Tents uses 1680D thick canvas, heavy-duty steel poles, and SBS zippers, creating a non-toxic human work environment by using high-quality materials and locking all light in. It has an easy observation view window, a removable floor tray, and a tool bag to help grow the plants indoor more conveniently. Mars Hydro Grow Tents interior is made of diamond mylar, non-toxic to the environment, no harm to the plants. It's made with high quality 1680D canvas being double stitched, which is tear proof for perfect light locking, no light leaks or rips at all. If you're wondering and interested in what Mars have to offer, then you can go down in the description, click that link, go straight to their website, check out everything that they have to offer there. If you decide to make a purchase, use my promo code, the11vlog, and you can receive a discount on your final order. Now back to business. What's up, guys? Okay, so I'm back. I'm back here with the Mars Hydroline12 hydroponic growth system. And in my previous videos, I showed y'all me starting a couple of seeds, spinach seeds, as you see. So this is the results. I got 3 spinach seeds to grow, and I didn't get nothing out of the other ones, so we're gonna work with these 3. And the last video, I changed the water and the newts, so that's what I'm back today again. I'm gonna take it apart, clean it out, rinse it out, and put some fresh newts. Check the ppm, check the pH, make sure everything is correct, and we're gonna get this system back to growing and continue to watch and see how well it grows. Now this grow, I am going to do a second grow after this one, but this grow I'm doing it without an air pump because you know they don't provide an air pump with it. They provide the pump that's in the middle that pumps the water up, and it aerates the water, which I don't think it's doing a very good job. So Mars, if you're watching, being open, my honest opinion, I believe we need to add something to make it have air to help really oxygenate the water. So after this grow, I'm going to throw in an air stone and start over again. I'm going to use spinach just like now and see if I have a different outcome. But for now, I'm going to take these spinach plants. I'm gonna take these spinach plants out, so I'm gonna have to take the top off and sit it somewhere to where the roots of the plants don't get damaged. Then I'll take off the tank and dump out the water for the tank. And then once I do that, I'll rinse it out real good. And then we'll fill it back up with the newts. Check all the right pHs and the ppms to make sure everything is in balance. And then we're gonna let it continue to grow, and we're gonna follow the grow as we go. Now let's get this tub off. There we go. I'll take the tub off, clean it, pour it out, rinse it out. Okay, so we got the tub in the sink. We're gonna take a little water. Take a little water, spray it off real good. So we can get all the residuals and everything out the bottom, as you see. rinse it out. And the thing I noticed on this plug, on this tub, that I didn't mention, haven't mentioned before, this tub has a drain plug right here in the back. So, you know, if you don't want to take the unit off, you can just pull the plug out, drain it, and refill it. But I'm gonna rinse it off real good and pull everything out. We're gonna add a little bit of drop of dish detergent in there, just so we can clean it and rinse it out real good. So now we're gonna clean it out and rinse it out real good, and then put it back on. So let me take my little sponge and we're gonna go around the inside and wipe everything down to get it nice and clean as we can. So we got it all nice and clean. Now we're just gonna rinse it down real good and get it nice and rinsed out. Okay, so we got it all rinsed out, nice and clean. So now we want to set it back on the base. And I've already took the time out and made the noose. I used the Supernatural, the Plus C. I had a little bit of Hydro Guard and some Super Thrive this round. And everything was mixed to full strength. That way the plants can really get something to eat this time. So yeah, let me pour it in the food. Now that we got it filled up, and new fresh newts in it, all clean and stuff, let's take our handy dandy pH EC temp meter and let's check and see where the newts are sitting at. Okay, so we got it on there. We're gonna shake the water a little bit, put it in there. By the ECs, I'm at 2.5. I don't know if you can see that, but that's 2.5 by the ECs, and the temperature is 76.1 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's change that to ppms and see. And for my ppm values, let's check it in. Let's see what the ppm is. The ppm says 12,067. So we're at 12,000 on the ppms, and hopefully that's not too much, but we're gonna find out. Next, we're gonna check the pH. So we're gonna take our pH reader and the vial out the bag. We're gonna check the pH so we get a little sample. Using the provided tube, we're gonna drop 5 drops in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 drops. And we're gonna take the top, put the top on top of it, and then we wanna give it a little shake. Now that we shake it, now we check the color. And judging by the color, looks like I am at 6.0. So that is a good range for the pH. So now the pH is checked. Now that we have everything checked, everything is balanced, the pH, the ppms, now we add the lid back. That's fresh newts. So happy eatings for the spinach. And hopefully they'll like that and they'll continue to thrive as well as they're thriving. But once again, I am going to add an air stone and an air pump to the next grow just to see if I can get any difference. Well, if you enjoyed this video and would like to continue to watch other videos I have and continue to follow along with this grow and any other grow, hit that like, that subscribe, and the notification bell to get notified when new videos are out. And always, thank you for watching.